everyone, welcome to week 7. So last week, if you remember, go back to last week, we started by going over the financial statement PowerPoints to introduce you to them. Then you did the SmartBook activity to again get you used to the terminology as well as understanding the layout of financial statements. And then you did a discussion. So this week, what I have prepared for you is to have you actually complete a few practice questions at the end of the chapter. Quick study 1, which stands for the chapter, and then it's number 12, and then exercise 1-7 and 1-8. And then these two here, I've grouped them together because they do belong together. So exercises 1-10, 1-11, and 1-12. What that does is in exercise 110, it gives you a list of account names and amounts. And from that, in exercise 110, it wants you to create an income statement. Then in 111, from the same accounts, but again, only use them once, it wants you to create the statement of equity. And then you would use the remaining accounts to create the balance sheet. Okay? So again, only use those accounts once. They belong once in one of the statements. And then I have exercises 1-13, 14, and 15. And again, that's very similar. One thing you'll want to notice in the questions, it gives you check figures. Use those check figures, okay? So it'll help you understand whether or not you're correct. So say, for example, in exercise 1-10, where it's the income statement, I think they give you the profit number. So once you've finished creating the income statement, you can check to see if your profit matches what the textbook tells you it should be, and so on. So give those a try, and I'm also going to create videos to go over the solutions with you. I've also posted the solutions here. If you don't want to look at the videos, you just want to go to the solution key and check and see if you're right. And then we actually have an assignment. Okay, so create a personal income statement. So for you, a person, what would your income statement look like? And what would your balance sheet look like? Okay. And again, so it gives you some guidelines. Your revenue would be your actual personal income. So if you have a job, and again, this is that portrays where you see yourself in 5 years, or maybe it's where you'd like to see yourself in 5 years. So give that a try. If you actually click on the assignment as well, it'll take you in to it'll take you into the actual information so you can see it on PowerPoint. Okay, so let me know if you have any questions about that. All right. Okay, and that is what we have going on in week 7. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks, everyone.